Hi guys, so today I have another soup recipe for you. We're gonna make pasta e fagioli soup. Fagioli, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna ground some ground beef. You wanna make sure you drain it, and then we're gonna set it aside. Now in that same pot, we're going to add some olive oil, some chopped carrots, chopped onion, and some celery. And we're going to let that cook until it gets nice and soft. Now I'm not going to lie, I almost burned my onions. But after that's nice and soft, we're going to go ahead and add in some minced garlic. We're going to let that cook for about a minute more. And then we're going to add in our broth. Next, we're going to add in a can of diced tomatoes and a few cans of tomato sauce. Now it's time to add our meat back in. Now while this is coming up to a boil, we're going to season it. You're going to add in some basil, oregano, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Now if you just have Italian seasoning blend, add that in. Now, I usually add, when I make a recipe, I add the amount of seasoning it says to, and after it's cooked for a while, I'll taste it, and then I'll add it to my taste. I usually double, even sometimes triple the amount of seasoning that it calls for, because those are my taste buds. Now, we're going to go ahead and let that come to a boil, and we're going to let it cook until the veggies are nice and soft for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, while that's cooking, we're going to get our pasta ready. We're going to use the ditalini pasta, and we're going to cook it according to the directions on the back of the box. You want to cook it until it's al dente. Now when we add our pasta to our soup, we're also going to add in a couple of cans of beans. We're going to add in some red kidney beans and some cannellini or great northern beans. You can go ahead and add a little bit of water or broth to thin your soup out to your liking. And we're going to let that cook for about a minute more. Next, we're going to add in some fresh chopped parsley. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to add some fresh shredded Parmesan cheese to the top. You know how you go to Olive Garden, they say, "Tell me when," and you're just standing there looking at them like, keep going, keep going. That's me. Warm, hearty, and delicious. Yum.